Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. I'm Marabel Corpa, Training Director at the Massage Temple, and in today's video we're going to bring together a few things we've already talked about but that have interested you a lot, which are sciatica and shiatsu. We've discussed sciatica treatments, how to treat it, stretches, reflexology treatment, and briefly touched on shiatsu and its essence. Today I find combining both approaches fascinating. Let us perform a sciatica treatment exclusively using shiatsu. Although many people don't know it, shiatsu is one of the most effective techniques to relieve all the pains caused by sciatica. Shiatsu is a massage that is performed on the whole body, but in today's video we are going to focus only on the maneuvers we are going to do for sciatica. Let's walk you through the massage step by step so you can do it little by little at home. Yes, it's not advisable for DIY. This is the gig, they must do it for you. First, start face down, as the most affected area, as discussed in other videos, will be the lower back where pressure is applied and nerve can get pinched. In the lumbar region, we will use rhythmic or sustained pressures to loosen up the lower back. The amount of force applied during the massage will be adjusted based on the sensitivity of the individual receiving the massage. Afterwards, we're going to release the entire hip area and the entire sacrum area using our thumbs. There will always be a more affected side of the lower back, and on that side we will always insist a little more. Next, we'll do the glute massage. We've discussed him in other videos, but I'll remind you once more. In the gluteal massage, we're going to use the fist and we're going to use the forearm. Let us loosen up that muscle. Additionally, it is a super nice move. It relieves a lot and it is ideal for sciatica. Now we are going to proceed to the back of the thigh. Here we are going to lift the knee and we are going to perform the presses all over the midsection area. First, we're going to loosen up the middle line and then we're going to loosen up the outer line. Let us take advantage and perform some small leg stretches. Let us bring the leg towards the opposite hip. Let us hold it in that position for a little while, and then let us bring the leg back towards the same hip. In this manner, we are going to stretch the hip region slightly using the glutes and the sacrum in order to loosen up and release the muscles in that particular area. We'll also stop for a little bit in the Popliteal Fossa. You know that it puts a lot of strain on the knee, puts a lot of strain on the leg, and also puts a lot of strain on the sciatic nerve. Let us pump with the palm of the hand, making some gentle pumps without causing harm, and gradually increasing the intensity over time in a progressive manner. Don't go fast, it's not worth it. To work the calf muscle, we're going to do it in different ways. On one hand, we're going to stretch it out and keep the stretching. On the other hand, we'll leave it supported on the ground and we'll apply pressure with the palm of our hand right in the middle area where the calf muscles are. We'll apply pressure while stretching the leg a little bit outward, and we'll hold it like that for a while. This point hurts a bit, but it is extremely important that you release it to relieve sciatic pain. Here we can also take advantage and do a little bit of the sciatica massage that we mentioned in the reflexology video. If you don't know which it is, take a look because it's interesting. Now we're going to place the person face up. Let's finish the rest of the massage so we can stretch the affected area. First, we're going to work leg by leg, and we're going to start with the leg that's bothering you, because that way we take off a little bit of pressure and the other one will let us work better afterwards. Let us bring the knee to the chest and hold it for a little while. Then we're going to bring the knee towards the opposite shoulder and hold it for a little while. And finally, we're going to bring the knee to the ground to do a body twist, and at the same time, we're going to hold the opposite shoulder with the other hand. We're going to stay there for a while because this is the stretch that's going to free us the most. If we see that it's necessary, we let go of the hand that was holding the shoulder and massage the buttocks, hip or leg area that is bothering the person underneath the most. Don't worry about it, take your time, stay there for a while. Afterwards, we're going to stretch that same leg towards the other side. We're going to open it up. We're going to hold the knee with one hand and the hip with the other, and we're going to increase the stretch just a little bit. Always please let the person endure, as this hurts a little. We also utilize the palm, forearm, and visible area to massage the inner thigh, targeting the tension and stretching. Although it may not seem directly related to sciatica, it is beneficial to relax the internal muscles of the hip and the one attached to the pelvis, both aesthetically and internally. Afterward, we will perform the same stretches with the other leg. We will repeat these identical stretches, and to conclude, as we have already done in other videos, and as you know, the most crucial aspect is to bring your knees towards your chest. Here's what we'll do. We'll bring our knees together tight, nice and snug, and we'll slowly bring them up to our chest until the person tells us to stop. Depending on the sciatic pain and how it is, we'll be able to make more or less progress, but the important thing is not to force it. We don't want to cause pain. We just want to release it by bringing the knees to the chest, and we'll hold it for a little while and increase that movement. It's crucial for the person to do breathing exercises, in this case focusing on deepening the exhale to let go and release tension. In the end, we'll finally stretch our legs and place a pillow under our knees. It's going to make our abdomen relax a little bit, and that's where we're going to finish this massage. We are going to perform a massage therapy session focusing on the entire hip area and the abdomen, with special attention to the proximity of the iliac crests on the sides. During the session, you will be able to observe and experience the release of tension that is present in these areas. It is not exactly the groin, it is the upper part, but it has a lot to do with the tension we also have in the lower back region. Here we're going to make waves, we're going to do pressures, we're even going to do sustained pressures with the palms of our hands. We push a little bit and we stay where the tension is, especially engaging the oblique muscles. We also have to wait a while until we notice that the muscle has let us move forward a bit. And if even after doing all this the sciatic pain doesn't go away, it may be because you still have many more muscle knots attached, because this treatment is effective on its own. I hope you put it into practice, I hope it's useful, and I hope if you like it, you give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, don't forget to take care of yourself, because your body is your temple.